Another security technique is called penetration testing, otherwise known as a pen test. This is an attempt to attack your own system to look for problems. There are a couple main types of pen testing. One is an automated vulnerability test. This is where someone has a test suite that lists a bunch of known security exploits and tries them against your system to see if they succeed. It also tests for bug fixes in case one of those bugs later becomes exploitable. And it also does port scanning on Ethernet ports to look for open, unnecessary ports, because anything that presents a so-called attack surface to the outside world increases risk, even if an exploit is not currently known or available for it. It's common on anything that's internet-facing to do some sort of automated vulnerability testing just to make sure that when you connect to the internet, all the bad guys who are also doing this continuously won't get lucky right away and be able to get into your system. Another more capable approach is to use penetration analysis, where you hire people called red teams to attempt to penetrate the system, or use a technique known as fuzz testing, in which you throw random garbage in an interface to see what breaks. Depending on how your system is deployed, you'll need to have some level of penetration testing, and how aggressive you get and how many resources you spend is part of your security cost-benefit analysis. It's important to realize that even if penetration testing finds nothing wrong with your system, that does not mean it's perfectly secure. What it means is it is not vulnerable to the usual suspects, but you still have to monitor and update the system over time as new vulnerabilities become known and as new exploits are created.